Hello everyone. If you are watching this video, it means you want to speak English, but you feel scared. Scared for mistakes, scared of people, scared of English itself. Let me tell you something very clearly. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. And at the end, I will ask you to speak with me. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's start. Many people wait. They say, when my English improves, then I will speak. This is mistake. I speak first. Even my English is weak because speaking is skill. You don't learn swimming by reading books. You learn entering into water. In the same way, English improves when you use it. Mistakes are not failure, silence is failure. Sometimes I stop. I don't know the next word, and that's okay. Silence does not mean you are bad. Silence means your brain is learning. Native speakers also pause. Confidence is not speed. Confidence is calmness. So I accept awkward silence sometimes. It's normal. I don't practice English only in my head. I speak out loud, alone, in my room, because English lives in your mouth, not in your mind. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Start where you are, use what you know, and speak anyway. Now it's your turn. I want you to speak. Choose this topic. How I practice English. Speak in comments. One sentence is enough. Don't worry about mistakes. This channel is for learners, not for perfection from day one. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe it for more real English practices. See you in the next video. Bye.